Hello students, welcome to the second lecture of HTML. In this lecture, I am going to discuss about the tags like P, PRE, then B, I, U, then how to change font color, how to change font size, and what is the meaning of BG color. I would like to discuss these topics in today's lecture. First of all, to start with the HTML, we have to write in angular brackets HTML start and HTML end. After writing this one, the next content required is head, and inside head we have to give title, and close of title is required here. Suppose I am writing here tags in HTML part 1 like this. Suppose I am writing the content like this, and after the completion of head I have to develop body, and inside body I have to write the code. Suppose I am using tag P here, and I am writing some lines inside tag P. My name is Sukhveer Singh. I am working as a teacher in an engineering college. I love to teach programming languages. Suppose these are the 3 lines. Let's save the program. Save as HTML2 dot HTML in all files. Let's save this content, then execute the program. My name is Sukhveer. I am working as a teacher in an engineering college. I love to teach programming language. This content is there. Suppose I have to change the font size. Then what to do? Let's close this one and open with Notepad. Suppose I am writing here H2, then closing this content with H2. Then I can change the size here. Okay, file, save, then execute the program again. We can change the font size. My name is Sukhveer Singh. I am working as a teacher in an engineering college. I love to teach programming languages. This one is basically the tag inside HTML, that is P. Now what is the meaning of P? P stands for, I can write a comment here. This one is for comment line. What is the meaning of this? P stands for, you can write inside this, P stands for paragraph. If you have to write paragraph, you can use P. Okay, let's copy this content and open a new file so that we can work with the second tag, that is PRE. Okay, let's delete this one. I have to work with the second tag, that is PRE. Tags in HTML, suppose I am writing part 2 here. In place of P, suppose I am writing PRE. Here I am writing PRE. Now what is the meaning of this? Let's save this content. File, save as HTML part 3 dot HTML. Save these files and execute the program. Look at the output here. My name is Sukhveer Singh. I am working as a teacher in an engineering college. I love to teach programming languages. These are the contents in a new line by using pre-tag. What is the meaning of this? If I am writing about pre-tag, okay, open with Notepad. Now what is the meaning of pre? Let's copy this one so that we can write about pre-tag. Pre means predefined text, means already whatever is defined inside HTML page, that is to be displayed on the content. Now the third one. In the third category, I am going to discuss about B, I and U. Let's copy this one and paste in the new page. Let's tag in HTML part 3. Suppose I am explaining B, I and U. Now what is the meaning of this? I have to delete first of all this one and deleting pre-I and also deleting this one. Suppose I am writing here B, then closing of B is there. Suppose I am writing I here and closing of I is there. And the third one, suppose I am writing U here and closing of U is there. File, save as HTML part 4 dot HTML. Saving in all files. Save this content and execute this one Now look at the output. Okay, one thing you can do, you can also apply pre here so that we can check the data inside different lines. Open with Notepad. Suppose I am writing pre here and closing of pre. File, save, and then execute the program. You can set the font size also so that we can clearly see the content. Notepad, and inside this, suppose I am writing H1 and after pre, suppose I am closing H1. Then file, save, and then again execute the program. Now you can see the content. Now first one is the bold content, and second one is italic, and third one is underlined content. This one is basically the third topic of our discussion. This one is the content. First one is P, then pre, then BIU. Now, what about font color, font size, and BG color? Let's discuss this one. Again, copy the content, Control C, then paste in new file, it's part 5 of the program, first, second, and third, part 4 of the program. Okay. Pre is required here. Suppose I have to change the color of the font. Then what to do? Or font size. Suppose without writing H1, suppose I am changing font size. Okay. Let's write here font size is equal to, in double quotes, suppose I am writing 1 here. Suppose I am writing font size 1. Okay. After this, close of the content, then I am using break so that I can print the data in next line without writing pre. Let's copy this one and paste a new line. Font size is equal to 2. Here I can write 2 and again save the program. HTML5 dot HTML in all files. Save this one. Now execute the program. Okay. Some small sized content is there. Suppose I am increasing this value. This one is font size 1 and font size 2. This one is too small. Suppose I am increasing this value. Then what to do? Open with Notepad. Suppose I am copying this content and pasting here. and increasing the size to 3, then 4, 5 and 6. You can write here 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay. Now save the content and execute the program. You can see change in font size in HTML. Look at this one. Font size 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. You can execute the program accordingly. Whatever the font size you would like to change, you can change. After changing the font size, suppose I have to change the color also. Then what to do? I can write here font size is equal to 1, or in addition to this, suppose I am writing color is equal to red. Now save this one. Let's execute this one. You can change the color of first font is equal to red. Okay. Suppose I am changing any other color. Suppose I am writing here in place of color is equal to red. Suppose I am crossing this one and pasting here. Okay, color is equal to red. Now save the program and execute it. Look at this one. You can change font size and also you can change the color of that particular font. Now one more thing is there. Suppose I have to change the background. The last content which one is pending in today's lecture. What is the meaning of BG color? Okay. Inside body, suppose I am writing BG color is equal to cyan. Suppose this one is the color. File, save and then exit and execute the program. You can change background color also. I am going to repeat the content in today's lecture what I completed. The contents are first of all P, then PRE, and third one is bold, italic and underline. Then how to change font color, how to change font size and how to change background color. These are the topics I discussed in today's lecture. In next lecture, I would like to discuss about designing of some pictures with the help of code. For example, suppose I have to represent clouds. I have to represent or I have to display umbrella. I have to display telephone. I have to display the radiations from the sun, or some other pictures are there. I would like to discuss about those pictures. Thanks for watching my video.